Dear students, welcome to Devs Academy. This class is for class 10 CBSE. Today we will discuss the formula how to find out the section formula. Previously we have done distance formula. Today we will do section formula. In this section formula, the figure is like this. This is x-axis and that is y-axis. Let a straight line with point A and B. The coordinate of A is x1, y1 and that of coordinate of B is x2 and y2. x2 and y2. And a point between A and B, P, whose coordinate is x and y. It is dividing this AB at the ratio M1 and M2. M1 and M2. We have to find out the coordinate of P, that is xy. You have to find out the coordinate xy. To find the coordinate of a point which divides the line joining two points in a given ratio. The ratio is AP by PB equal to M1 by M2. It will be M1 by M2. We have to find out. If a point lies in a line segment, P lies in a line segment joining the points A and B, then P divides AB in the ratio AP is to PB. Let AP be M1 and PB be M2. Here we write, let AB be a line joining the points A, that is x1, y1 and B, that is x2, y2, and point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2, that is AP is to PB equal to M1 is to M2, or AP by PB equal to M1 by M2. RTP required to prove that the coordinate required to find out the coordinate of P, which is xy. We have to find out the coordinate of point P, xy. We have drawn the line segment AB and P is a point between A and B whose coordinate is xy. The coordinate of previously we have told that coordinate of A is x1, y1 and that of B x2, y2. Drawn AL, PM, BN perpendiculars on the x-axis. On the x-axis we have drawn the perpendiculars. Since they are perpendicular on the x-axis, therefore AL, PM and BN are parallel lines. Drawn AL, PM and BN perpendiculars on x-axis. Therefore AL parallel to PM parallel to ABN, they are all be parallel lines. Now from the figure we have just see that AR equal to LM, AR equal to LM, LM equal to, this will be OM minus OL, that is OM equal to X1, OM equal to X minus X1, and PR equal to, just see, PM minus RM, PM minus RM, PM equal to Y minus Y1, it will be Y minus Y1, and PS equal to PS equal to ON minus OM, PM equal to MN equal to ON minus OM equal to, it will be OM minus OM equal to X2, ON equal to OX2 minus X, and BS not BS but PS, it is PS equal to MN, PS equal to BS equal to, now BS, this is, we have done BS equal to BN minus SN is equal to BN equal to Y, BN equal to Y2, sorry, Y2 minus Y, Y2 minus 1. Just see now that triangle APR and triangle BPS, they are similar because these are parallel and this also parallel, AR parallel to PS and AB is a straight line. So since triangle APR and triangle BPS are similar, therefore since they are similar, therefore what we can say, that the corresponding sides are proportional. AR by PS is equal to PR by BS. AR by PS by PR by BS equal to AP by PB. 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 Why? Corresponding sides are in proportional. Corresponding sides are in proportional. Therefore, we can say AR by PS. Just see, AR equal to X minus X1 by PS. PS equal to X2 minus X1 is equal to AR by PS. AR by PS. AR by PS equal to AP by BP by BP, or AR means X minus X1 by X minus X1 by X2 minus X. AR equal to X minus X1, AR equal to X minus X1, and PS is equal to X2 minus X1, X2 minus X1 equal to AP equal to M1 and BP equal to M2. Now crosswise multiply crosswise, and you will see that M1 X2 minus X is equal to M2 X minus X1, or M1 X2 minus M1 X is equal to M2 X minus M2 X1, or M2 X1 or M2 X minus X1 is equal to M1 X2 minus X, or M2 x minus m2 x1 is equal to m1 x2 minus m1x, or m2x and m1x plus m2x, m2x equal to m1x2 plus m2x1, or if we take common x into m1 plus m2 is equal to m1 x2 minus m2 x1, or x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 plus m1 plus m2. This is number 1. Again, just see that PR by BS, PR by BS equal to AP by PB, or PR equal to Y minus Y1 by PB BS equal to Y2 minus Y equal to AP by PB equal to M1 by M2. It is M1 by M2, or M2 into Y minus Y1 is equal to M1 into Y2 minus Y, or we may say M2Y minus M2Y1 is equal to M1Y2 minus M1Y. Now changing the sides, we will get, or M1Y that is minus, it will be plus, by M2Y M1Y, it is M1Y by M2Y equal to M1Y2 plus M1Y2 plus M2Y, M2Y1, it is M2Y1 is M2Y1. Now M2Y m2, this will go that side, m2 y1, or taking common y, we will get m1 m2 m1 plus m2 is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1. Therefore y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So we are getting the coordinates of P xy, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and that is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is, dear students, next day we will start the problems. Try to follow my classes to get everything. Thank you.